You want to pick up my brain? Welcome back to All Craft Homeschool. I am really enjoying sharing some of the tips and some of the stuff that we have used for homeschool, things that we have been learning that have worked for our family, and I hope that it works for you too. And today I want to show you our sensory basket. We try to be creative, or it's practical, and it's affordable. We have a little head. That's so cute. So this is nice because it's quiet. I don't have to hear the kids doing a lot of noise with it when they're studying or listening to a story. You can just squish something that is quiet. Now, most of my toys here, for sensory support here is quiet because I get annoyed and distracted by noises. Dollar store, little bowl. Dollar Tree. These are scrubs, yes, to do dishes. And yet, and I really like it, it's a very sensory thing and it's squishy and it doesn't break. We also have some fluffy stuff. Dollar Tree, and it's a sensory thing. This one we found at Goodwill, and even as an adult with ADHD, this is mesmerizing to watch. Like, I can spend at least 5-10 minutes just looking at it, getting lost in my thoughts or daydreaming. So I usually do not let them use this if I'm reading, unless they are focusing, because it can be distracting. But it's a very nice calming tool. Remember how you like bubble wrap? So whenever we have gotten a package that has bubble wrap, I cut it and save it, and then everybody gets to let some steam out. When you're upset, just pop in the bowl. I also have some Play-Doh. It's very nice to have something to squish, and it's quiet. Again, it's something quiet, and my teens do not eat it, so that kind of works. Do Play-Doh bring memories from when you were a child, or is it just me? It's totally bring memories to me. We have a weird bending bunny that you can just squish. Yeah. It helps with anger. We have lots and lots and lots of balls, stress balls. I used to think that stress balls were to throw at people who are stressing you out. Unfortunately, that's not the case. I'm so sorry. I understand it, but they're just squish when you're stressed out.
This one, when you go in, it has like all these.
You remember the name?
No.
Okay, in Spanish is kaleidoscopio. It has mirrors inside and you can see different shapes.
You turn it around with just like, there's only a couple of beads in here, so like there's only like a couple of beads in here, you see, at the back, and then there's mirrors, and then it looks like there's more beads than there actually is.
I know, that's so cool.
Our meeting.
I love these ones. We got it, I think, at dollar store, and it's so nice because you can just see all the sequins and you don't have to pick them up. They're all in there trapped. And you can hang it up if you want to, but we have it in here because then you can just keep turning it. Gift bag that you give at Christmas, birthday. We just cut the handle, and it's one of those soft ones, so she can just be sensing it or making me sense it while I'm teaching a lesson. You want to pick up my brain? Just give it a squish. I think that this would have been a lifesaver when I used to go to work, because it has different things. You press, you push, you turn.
But you didn't get it when you were little.
No! So this one is also so cool because it is, the sand goes back and forward.
When you do the sand, and then it goes like...
So it has a heart shape once it's empty, and it looks pretty cute, but it's kind of hard to show in camera.
And it says, I love you.
And it says, I love you, which is so sweet. Check this out.
Check this out.
Oh,
it looks
she's
like
gonna
a
show
circle, right? But then I'm gonna fuck it up in here. And no, we did not do a cutting effect or anything to look like it was really that. You actually press it down like this, but press and twist. So press and twist, and then you have a circle, and then you can go like that again. My mom found these at Dollarama, and they're
it's pretty cool because they're not very noisy, and you can kind of keep your hands busy while you're listening to story, listening to the lesson. Like, again, this is our sensory tool basket. We use it a lot, not just during our homeschooling. We use them during the entire day, Monday through Sunday. It's a good investment. We share all the
I have a box full of sensory toys.
She has her own box,
in the room.
That one is our family sensory box.
Because
I think that together is no more than $40, but it's a really good investment, and you have something to do for kids that are tactile. Some kids that they need to be touching something, so you don't have any more pencils that have like bite marks or the penguin. We have that little box, and it's really helpful. Let me know, like, what are the sensory toys that work with you for small kids, for teens? Just let us know. If you have a sensory box, what do you have in it? Is that a new idea? If not, how long have you had your sensory box? So let us know. Comment down below. Let us know what do you use for your sensory box. If you use a sensory box, share the love. And if you think that a mom that is just beginning to homeschool can use it, even for moms who are not homeschooled. I mean, these toolbox can help kids with ADHD, with autism, with sensory processing disorder. Occupational therapists usually have a sensory toolbox. Anybody can use it. So if you think that somebody can benefit from having a sensory box, just let them know. Show them what we have done. And if you want to learn more about it, just let us know. And maybe we can ask around somebody who has an expertise on this. Because I can only share what has worked for us and why it works for us. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh crap, out.
Oh, I didn't see you there. So, yeah, those people are crazy. So, if you'd like to see more videos, click here. And if you'd like to see other stuff, click here. And please, smash, destroy that subscribe button right there. Bye!